Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Vietnamese History for Beginners. Let's start. When did the Chinese Han Dynasty first conquer Vietnam? I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. When did the Battle of Bac Dong River put an end to the third period of Chinese domination? I haven't got a clue actually. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. When was the Communist Party of Vietnam established? Phew. I couldn't tell you that. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. In what year was the so-called August Revolution victory? I'm not sure. Wasn't it in 1944? Nope, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Next question. In what period was Vietnam a puppet state of Imperial Japan? Goodness me, late 40s maybe? Nope, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Next question. When did President Ho Chi Minh read the Declaration of Independence? I know, it's in September. Sorry, I have no idea of the day or year. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. When was Vietnam victorious against France after 9 years of war?
Oh, the Battle of Dien Bien Phu?
Wasn't that in May 1854? Nope, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Next question. In what year did the so-called Ho Chi Minh Trail open? No. I can't remember. 1958? Nope, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Next question. When were the Paris Agreements signed? Oh, I know that. Weren't they signed on the 26th of January, 1973? Nope, I'm afraid that's incorrect. Next question. Next question. What date signifies the liberation of South Vietnam and the reunification of the country? Good Lord. No, I haven't the faintest. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. When were the Congress general elections held for the first time? First time elections. Yes, that must have been around. Let me think. Yes, it was. No, sorry, no idea. Are you kidding? You don't know that? Next question. How long did the construction of the Hua Bin hydroelectric power plant take? Oh dear, I do believe I've forgotten that. Are you kidding? You don't know that? That's the final question.